Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 9. Okay, for the previous video or the previous sum, please check the description box. So this is the second part of this exercise. So here in sum number 9.1, integration x cube tan inverse x dx. Okay, so now you know that the formula I let for the biparts. Here the first one is algebraic function and second one is inverse. So here's the first function will be tan inverse. So tan inverse x integration x cube dx minus, okay, now integration, then ddx of tan inverse x, okay, ddx of tan inverse x, that equal to 1 by x square plus 1, then integration x cube dx, next dx. Clear? So now tan inverse x, this one will be x to the power 4 by 4 minus, here it will be x to the power 4 by 4, so 1 by 4 here, integration x to the power 4 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so this one will be x to the power 4 by 4 tan inverse x minus 1 by 4. Now as here you have x to the power 4, here you have x to the power 4 by x square plus 1. So if here x square minus 1, okay, x square minus 1 then plus 1 by x square plus 1, x square minus 1 then 1 by x square plus 1, that one equal to, you will get x to the power 4, okay, dx. So here suppose here x square minus 1 by 1 by x square plus 1, then here the LCM will be x square plus 1, so this one will be x to the power 4 minus x square plus x square minus 1 plus 1. So x square cancel out, 1 cancel out, and you will get back x to the power 4 by x square plus 1. Okay, so you can write x to the power 4 by x square plus 1 in this format. Okay, so now x to the power 4 by 4 tan inverse x, then minus 1 by 4 integration x square dx, minus minus plus 1 by 4 integration dx, last one again 1 by 4 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so now x to the power 4 by tan inverse x, here 1 by 4 and here x cube by 3 plus 1 by 4x, and the last one 1 by 4, this one will be the formula of tan inverse. Okay, sorry, this one is plus, so it will be minus because here is minus, so minus. So now you can write down this one tan inverse x by 4 plus c. Okay, so now your answer will be final answer. Here x to the power 4 by 4, if x to the power 4 by 4 tan inverse, x to the power 4 by 4 tan inverse will be common, so it will be here as this one, here 1 by 4 x and it will be minus, so as here 1 by 4, not x to the power, 1 by 4 tan inverse, 1 by 4 tan inverse will be common, then you will get here x to the power 4 minus 1, x to the power 4 minus 1, here minus as x cube by 12 plus 1 by 4x plus c as your final answer. Now next one, sum number 9.2. Here integration x square sine inverse x. So first, here first function will be sine inverse x, then integration x square, it will be x cube by 3 minus integration, then ddx of sine inverse x, that is 1 by root over 1 minus x square, then again integration of x square, that equal to x cube by 3 and then dx. So that equal to x cube by 3 sine inverse x minus here 1 by 3 integration, as here x cube, okay, so you can write this one x cube as x square into x, and in denominator 1 minus x square dx. Now you have to let that this one root over 1 minus x square equal to z. Okay, I hope it's clear. So now 1 minus x square equal to z square. Then the derivative of this one minus 2x dx, that equal to 2z dz. So 2 cancel out. So here x cube by 3 sine inverse x minus 1 by 3 integration. Here z square means 1 minus x square. X square means here z square, 1 minus z square. Okay, 1 minus z square. And then x means here as this 1 minus x square equal to z square x dx. So here x dx means minus z, so here will be minus z dz, and the denominator this one equal to z. Clear? So z cancel out, and this one will be x cube by 3 sine inverse x. Here minus will be in plus, so 1 by 3 integration first dz, then again if this one will be minus and integration, then here z square by 3 dz. Okay, so as you have 1 by 3, because this will be minus in plus, so it will be 1 by 3 integration dz minus again z square by 3 dz. So it will be now x cube by 3 sine inverse x plus 1 by 3 z, and then minus it will be here z cube by 9, because already 3 here, so z cube by 9 plus c. So your final answer will be x cube by 3 sine inverse x plus here z means root over 1 minus x square by 3, then minus 1 by 9, and z cube means here 1 minus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c as your final answer. So here the next one, sum number 10(1), integration sine inverse x by root 1 minus x dx. Okay, so now you can write this one as integration sine inverse x, and this one 1 minus x whole to the power minus half dx. Okay, so inverse function will be your first function, then integration of 1 minus x, this one dx, minus then the derivative of sine inverse x, you know that 1 by root over 1 minus x square, then again integration 1 minus x whole to the power half dx. Okay, and dx. So now here sine inverse x, and here the integration of this one will be 1 minus x, as here minus half plus half, so it will be half here, and here half, then minus 1, as here the coefficient of x equal to minus 1. Okay, so here also 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Now integration of this one will be as same as here. So as here 1 minus x whole to the power half, so you can also write this one as root over 1 minus x, and this one will be minus half dx. Okay, so now this one here 2 sine inverse x, and this one root 1 minus x, minus here also 2 minus plus integration this one root over 1 minus x, and as here 1 minus x square, it will be 1 minus x into 1 plus x dx. Okay, so 1 minus x here cancel out. Now next here minus 2 sine inverse x root over 1 minus x plus 2, and here only 1 by root over 1 plus x, so you can write this one as 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1 dx. Okay, so now minus 2 sine inverse x root over 1 minus x 2, and the integration of this one will be 1 plus x whole to the power half, here minus 2 minus 1 by 2, and then plus c. Okay, so now minus 2 sine inverse x root over 1 minus x, this one will be here minus, because as here minus, so it will be minus, and then 2 into here 2, it's 4, so 1 plus x in root over plus c. sorry, this one will be positive, so here plus 4. So your final answer here, minus 2 sin inverse x root over 1 minus x plus 4 root 1 plus x plus c as your answer. Now sum number 10(2). Here integration x square e to the power x dx. So here algebraic function and the exponential function. So algebraic as the first function, so this one. Now ddx of x square, then integration e to the power x dx and then again dx. So x square into e to the power x का integration e to the power x ही होता है. So here ddx of x square will be 2x and then here e to the power x dx. Okay, so x square e to the power x minus 2 here also, and this one. Okay, and this one here x e to the power x dx. नाउ यहाँ पर देखिए x e to the power x dx को फिर से हम बाई पार्ट्स करेंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर e to the power x माइनस 2 और यहाँ पर हम अप्लाई करेंगे x इंटीग्रेशन e to the power x dx जिसका e to the power x ही होता है, देन माइनस इंटीग्रेशन. नाउ ddx1 it will be 1 and then integration e to the power it will be e to the power x. So you can directly write down this one. So x square e to the power x minus 2, this one x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. Okay, so here x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x plus 2 e to the power x plus c. So now here if you common e to the power x, then you will get x square minus 2 and this one, sorry, 2x and this one plus 2 plus c as your final answer. So now here 11(1), integration x square e to the power 3x dx. Okay, so it will be here x square, then integration e to the power 3x dx minus, then integration ddx of x square will be 2x and integration e to the power 3x, it will be e to the power 3x by 3 dx. Okay, so I hope it's clear here. So now you can write x square e to the power 3x by 3 minus 2 integration x, sorry, here 2 by 3 x e to the power 3x dx. Now for that case x e to the power 3x, you can again apply the by parts. So here 2 by 3 for the first one, sorry, it's 1 by 3, not 2 by 3. 1 by 3 x square e to the power 3x minus here now 2 by 3, and now here again you have apply the by parts. So here x and then again e to the power 3x integration, so e to the power 3x by 3 minus integration ddx of x will be 1 and integration e to the power 3x will be e to the power 3x by 3 dx. Okay, so now the next thing is here x square by 3 e to the power 3x minus 2 by 3, here x by 3 e to the power 3x minus, and this one will be now e to the power 3x by 9, okay, plus c. Now as here this one will be e to the power 3x, here also e to the power 3x and here also e to the power 3x, this one 3 and here if you multiply, so first multiply here e to the power 3x, then minus here 2x by 9, 2x by 9 e to the power 3x, and next one plus 2 by 27 e to the power 3x plus c. Okay, so now if you common e to the power 3x by 27, then first one will be here 9x square, second one will be here as here 9 3, so it's 6, so 6x, and last one will be here as here 2, if you add this one it's 2, so it will be here 2, so 2 plus c. Now sum number 11(2), integration x square cos x dx. So x square integration cos x dx minus x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x होता है और इंटीग्रेशन cos x मीन्स sin x dx. So here also sin x x square minus 2 इंटीग्रेशन x sin x dx. अब x sin x dx को हम बाई पार्ट्स करेंगे, so x square sin x minus 2. Now x इंटीग्रेशन sin x का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cos x होता है, so x into cos x plus इंटीग्रेशन फर्स्ट ddx of x will be 1 देन इंटीग्रेशन साइन एक्स, वहाँ से माइनस होगा, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस कॉस एक्स डी एक्स. So now x square sin x, here minus into minus plus 2x cos x, then minus into plus minus 2 into integration cos x sin x होता है, so minus 2 sin x plus c as your answer. Now sum number 12. In sum number 12, here log x whole square dx. Okay, so that means first here log x whole square. So the another function will be 1, so 1 into log x whole square. So first write down log x whole square as the first function, integration dx, then minus integration ddx of log x whole square will be 2 log x, then 1 by x, and then integration dx will be again x, so into dx. Clear? So now x cancel out. Here this one will be x log x whole square minus 2, and this one will be integration log x. Now again log x means here again 1 into log x, so that means x log x whole square minus 2, so log x as the first function, then integration dx will be again x minus integration ddx of log x, it's 1 by x, then x dx. Okay, so x here cancel out, so x log x whole square minus 2, this one x log x minus x, and then plus c. Okay, so now if x will be common, so it becomes x log x whole square minus 2 log x, and then here plus 2 plus c as your answer. Now next one, sum number 12(2). In sum number 12(2), you have integration x cube sin x square. Okay, integration x cube sin x square dx. So first here you have to let x square as z. So this one will be 2x dx, that equal to dz. Okay, so 2x dx that equal to dz. Now as here x cube, and then you can write this one x square into x sin x square dx. Okay, so as here 2x dx, to adjust this 2, first write down here 2 and here 2, so 1 by 2 integration 2x dx will be dz, x square will be z, and this one sin z. Okay, and this one dz. Now here you can easily applying the by parts formula. So 1 by 2, then z, इंटीग्रेशन साइन z का होता है माइनस कॉस z, देन माइनस dz का होता है 1 डेरिवेटिव, फिर यहाँ पर माइनस होगा, सो इट विल बी नाउ प्लस कॉस z dz. ओके, सो हाफ यहाँ पर होगा माइनस z कॉस z प्लस साइन z प्लस c. So now half, and this will be z means here minus z means here x square, so x square, this one will be cos x square plus sin x square plus c as your answer. Now sum number 13. In sum number 13, one integration 2x cube e to the power x square dx. So first let x square that equal to z, so this one will be 2x dx that equal to dz. Okay, so as here x cube, you know that x cube means here x square into x and e to the power x square dx. Clear? Now as here 2x dx, so 2x dx that will be dz. So write down here x square means z, and this one will be e to the power z, now dz. Okay, so z e to the power z dz. Then by parts it will be here, first you have to write down this one, then integration e to the power z dz, then here the derivative of z will be 1, then integration e to the power z will be e to the power z, and this one. Okay, so now z into e to the power z minus e to the power z plus c. Okay, so now put down the value of z. So here z means x square, so x square e to the power x square minus e to the power x square plus c. So if e to the power x square will be common, so x square minus 1 plus c as your answer. Now sum number 13 2. Integration cos root x dx. So first let x equal to z square. Then for this one dx equal to 2z dz. Okay. So integration cos, as here root x, that means cos z only, and dx equal to 2z. So 2 write down here 2, there z dz. Okay. So now you can here easily applying the by parts formula. So z will be in outside, then integration cos z minus, now integration derivative of z equal to 1 and integration cos z, that equal to sin z dz. Okay. So now as here 2, so z sin z minus, and this one will be plus cos z and plus c. So now put down the value of z equal to here root x, then sin root x, then here plus cos root x plus c as your answer. Now next sum number 14, integration tan inverse root x dx. So again let here x equal to z square, and from that dx equal to 2z dz. So it will be now here 2 and tan inverse z and here z dz. Okay. So now here you can apply the same formula by parts. So first write down tan inverse z, then integration z will be now z square by 2 minus, now derivative of tan inverse z, that will be 1 by 1 plus z square, and this one will be z square by 2 dz. Okay. So now 2 z square by 2 tan inverse z minus, now for this one, as here only z square, so you can adjust this one z square plus 1 minus 1, and here 1 plus z square, and write down this 2 here 1 by 2 dz. Okay. So as you multiply 2 with this one, so z square tan inverse z, and 2 multiply this one only minus 1. So now you separate this one, so first one will be z square plus 1, then 1 plus z square dz, here minus minus plus integration dz by 1 plus z square. Okay. It's very easy. So this one will be z square tan inverse z, this one here integration dz only, so only z, and this one will be tan inverse z plus c. Now as z square equal to x, so this one will be x, then tan inverse root x minus, this one will be root x, and then again tan inverse root x plus c. So if you common tan inverse root x, then you will get x minus, x plus 1, and then minus root x plus c as your final answer. So now sum number 14 2. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. You can also visit our website. The link is in the description box. If you want to chapter wise solution, then just visit our website and just click on the chapter and we'll get all the videos. Okay, so here integration x cube tan inverse x square dx. So first you have to let x square as z. So now this one will be your 2x dx and this one dz. Okay, 2x dx dz. So now x cube means you can write down this one x square, and this one tan inverse here x square. Now x square into x, so x dx. And as here x dx means half dz, so write down half here. X square means here z, then tan inverse z, and x dx means dz. Okay. So now the by parts formula. So first will be the here tan inverse z, then integration z. Integration z means z square by 2 minus integration, the derivative of tan inverse, that equal to 1 plus z square, and then again z square by 2 here dz. Okay. Now the same kind of problem. So it will be here tan inverse z, z square by 2 minus again half integration. You have to write down here z square plus 1. You know that how to separate this one. So it will be again here plus integration 1 by 1 plus z square dz. Here will be again half. Okay. So now it will be z square by 4 tan inverse z. minus 1 by 4, here also dz, so these two cancel out, so only you have z, here plus 1 by 4, this one tan inverse z plus c. Okay, so now as here z square, so z square means x to the power 4, so x to the power 4 by 4 tan inverse x square minus 1 by 4 x square plus 1 by 4 tan inverse x square plus c. So if 1 by 4 tan inverse x square will be common, so you will get x to the power 4 plus 1, and here minus 1 by 4 x square plus c as your final answer.